Kia ora everyone, I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code. The first thing you want to do is find your internet browser. I use Google Chrome, you may use Microsoft Edge or Firefox. The next thing you want to do is search up Visual Studio Code on Google. You want to then click on download. My operating system is Windows, so I'm going to choose System Installer times 64. So System Installer times 64. After the executable file is finished downloading, click on it. Choose yes. Accept the agreement, then click next. Click next. Click next. Create a desktop icon if you would like an icon of Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Then click next. And then click install. I've ticked it so that I can launch Visual Studio Code the moment I click finish. Click finish. I now have Visual Studio Code open. I will first of all choose my folder that I will work on. So I can either go File, Open Folder, or I can click on Open Folder if you have a new window. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder called Project. This will be where I work on my project with all my files inside. I'm going to select this folder. I'm going to trust the authors. As you can see, this is my Explorer icon, meaning that everything that is displayed here displays everything inside the folder. There are no files currently, so I'm going to add one file. Click on New File. I'm going to call it index.html. Enter. At the moment, my index.html file is empty, so I'm going to create some automatically generated code. I'm going to use the exclamation mark, then I'm going to push tab. Here's my automatically generated code. Control S to save. It's as simple as that.